Hi everyone, this is Mitul Lahiri and today I am going to tell you about the BPO industry. That means why people will opt for the BPO jobs. You know that nowadays we are being engulfed by one of the deadliest virus that is known as the coronavirus. We haven't thought of it that this type of pandemic could just even come to any human being or to the human world or any of the living beings. So we were not at all prepared for it, right? So this kind of pandemic, this kind of situation can arise anytime in our life. So we do have to prepare for that. But we cannot prepare ourselves for this type of diverse type of nature of this pandemic, right? But still we do have to survive, right? So in this pandemic we have seen many people have lost their jobs. So the people who were just working in the manufacturing industry, automobile industry, film industry, that is the entertainment industry, you can say IT industry, that is, and beside that construction industry, these people have lost their jobs. And so it is really very heartbreaking, or you can say these people have lost their jobs because it is a question of their bread and butter. So you know that which industry is just surviving into this pandemic? That is the BPO industry. Then why you will opt for the BPO industry? First of all, BPO industry have many domains into it. It is not just confined to just national, international or the domestic process. Beside that, you can have, if you are not so much good into your voice, you can just go to the chat process, that is the email, right? You can go to the back office, you can go for the IT support, right? So there are different type of domains that is being converged into the BPO industry. And moreover, in the BPO industry, you can see you can get promotion within a very ample of time. Suppose if you are functioning very well into your operations, right? So there you can just have your legs apart into different type of sectors. Okay, if you are very good into the voice, you have done a very good into a domestic process, then you can easily go to the international process. And you know that international process, there you have lot of opportunities. Okay, you can come around and talk with different kinds of people, you can understand the mentality, and beside that you can gain the capability of problem solving nature, isn't it? So it's like you can evolve a different kind of person in between you, as well as you can just go for a different type of lucrative opportunities, right? And that is a career opportunity. You are not just confined to only IT, right? You are being diverted to different kind of segments, right? And beside this BPO industry, in this pandemic, they are servicing, as well as they are also opting for work from home, right? There is a HR recruitment section also into the BPO industry, right? The more you can get people, the more you are into a very good position, right? There are different kinds of processes that is running into the BPO, right? So you can just have a different kind of processes like Flipkart, Amazon, right, Virgin Media, and you can come across different kind of people having exceptionally good English. You can learn from there, right? And even that you can just be promoted to one segment to another segment. And if you have a very good capability of yours, you can easily go to IT support. Okay, so these are the segments where BPO industry is being divided. So I can tell you that if you are having a very good flair of English, if you have the mentality to survive, if you have the mentality to struggle, if you have the mentality to move forward, I will just tell you, you can just opt for the BPO industry. In the operation section, you can become the operation manager, where you can find different people who are into different kinds of operations, how the BPO industry functions, what are the process, what are the things they deal with. These are going to be a big part of your life. Beside that, in BPO industry, it's a 9 hours working, right? You don't have to work like IT. That is, after 9 hours, you can work up to 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours. There is no limit of time. But over here, you have your lovely family life also. So I will tell you, those who have just good flair of English, those who want to make a different type of career, Those who want to move ahead in their life, they can opt for the BPO, because in BPO you can learn different things, right? And at the same time, a great opportunity, a great future is always welcoming you. So friends, why are you waiting? Just move ahead.